So as we discussed in the previous lecture that the gist image descriptor uses a bank of Gabor filters. And to understand what is a bank of Gabor filter, we'll have to understand what Gabor filters are. So in this lecture, we are going to cover the Gabor filters. So Gabor filter in the computer vision literature. So if you go through the computer vision literature on Gabor filters, you will find that there are many applications of Gabor filters. For example, Gabor filter is used to compute the local texture orientation in images. So if you have a patch of an image where there's some texture, and if you want to compute the orientation of a texture, then you can use Gabor filter to compute that texture orientation. So for example, if you go through the vanishing point papers, so there has been the vanishing point has been a topic of interest around 2010 to 2012 or 2008 to 2012 in the computer vision literature, and you can see like prominent researchers and the papers on the topic of vanishing point detection. And the vanishing point detection, to be able to compute the vanishing point in image, for example, let's suppose you have an image and there's perhaps an off-road or an on-road scenario, and you want to compute like what is the convergent point of these two edges of an image. So this is the vanishing point. So to compute the vanishing point, you'll have to compute the local texture orientation. And often a bank of Gabor filters, so bank of Gabor filters are used to compute the local texture orientation and then to compute the vanishing point in images. So there is an ample amount of literature on the use of Gabor filters and the bank of Gabor filters for the purpose of vanishing point computation in images. And interested readers can actually go through this literature to understand the application of Gabor filter in the context of vanishing point computation or in the context of any other application in the computer vision literature. But here in this lecture, we are going to focus on the mathematics behind the Gabor filters to an extent that it is useful to describe the operation of the gist image descriptor. So here we will limit our discussion of the Gabor filters only up to an extent to understand the gist image descriptor. So we will not go with what are the different applications of the Gabor filters or the bank of Gabor filters. We will restrict our discussion to just the understanding of the gist image descriptor. So furthermore, the original paper, as I mentioned previously, that the original paper discussed the gist descriptor for the purpose of scene recognition, and the paper is a bit involved. There's a lot of mathematics involved, and it's a bit complicated to read, but still, I mean, so we will cover the entire algorithm, like how you can use the Gabor transform, how you compute the gist description of an image. But interested readers who are interested in reading more mathematics around it, they can go through the original paper, Modeling the Shape of the Scene, a holistic representation of the spatial envelope. So the original paper source code is available in either MATLAB or Octave. So there's an entire, you can go through the author's webpage. If you search for this paper on Google, you will be redirected to the author's webpage, and you can find their code implemented in the MATLAB and Octave for the gist descriptor of an image. So we will cover like how to compute the gist descriptor of an image, and we'll try to make you understand each of these steps. But if you are interested into going with more mathematics, for example, if you want to understand the underpinning idea as to how the authors essentially arrived at the Gabor filters, then you can go and read the original paper to find all these details. So here we will cover the gist descriptor as if we already know, okay, that finally we will have to compute the Gabor filter. But if you are interested to know how did the author arrive at the Gabor filter, you can go through the original paper. So now we'll begin our discussion of the Gabor filters.